We are live on your document. It gives us 4 employees. It tells us their marital status, how many withholding allowances they have claimed. Remember, when you guys get your job, they all tell you to claim 0. You should probably claim 10 if you're a kid earning under 10 grand. Then it has their total earnings. So this would be their gross pay or their pay before taxes, because these are the taxes. I'm going to put a little key up here for you. You're welcome. Federal income tax withholding. Use chart. The chart is this. It's a chart of numbers and withholdings and all kinds of stuff. So use chart. Social Security tax withholding is 6.2%. And Medicare, 1.45%. So if you use those keys, you'll be able to quickly and easily figure out how much money these people need to withhold. So, first things first, I'm the realist. All right. I know. Drop this and let the whole world hear this? No? All right. I'll just be quiet. All right. So, the first part says, use the chart. We have a person named Eric Bates. He is married, withholding 2, and he earned $1,090. So you got to make sure you're looking at the married chart. There's a single chart over here. So the married chart is on page 348. I have it up here for you. Eric Bates is married, withholding 2. So since he's withholding 2, this is the column that you're going to be using. And then he says he made $10.90. So using the handy dandy chart, along with the numbers we are given, we're looking for $10.90. So if you look right here, it says, right here it's 1080, at least 1080, but less than 1100. So the number we're looking for falls between these two. And then you go over, and his withholdings was 2. And as you can see in this book, if you're looking at your book, it's probably lined and circled. The amount that is withheld is $50. Okay? So all we did was take the amount of money he earned, his withholding, and then we looked at the chart and figured out where that met. So the federal income tax withholding is $50. The next one, you use 6.2%. So we take $10.90 times 0.062. It's $67.58. Don't forget when you're doing this to use 6.2%, not 6.2. Bless you. If you multiplied 1,000 by the 6.2, then you would have like 6,000. That would be bad. Hey, you made $1,000, and we would like 6,000 for federal Social Security tax. Whoa. Bless you. Then the last one, Medicare. You're going to take 1.45%, so 0.0145, multiply it by the money he made, $10.90, and you get $15.81. It's actually, people on YouTube, you can't see this, but this is the number you get, 15.805. You round up. Or, well, you just round. So you round up. So it's 15.81. So this person who makes $1,000 has, that's like 120-ish. This person has like $130 come out of their paycheck in total. So they made $1,000 and they had like $100 come out. Next person. Jason Cohen is single with one allowance and earns $840. So single, one allowance, $840. We're looking at the single person's chart. We're looking for $840. If you notice, we have two 840s. Everyone, please take a look at that real quick because someone's going to ask me this later. Look, 840, 840. Here are the headings. At least, but less than. So if he made 840, we're not going to use less than 840. We're going to use at least 840. Okay, he made 840. So we're going to use this one. And then he has one withholding allowance. So you take 840 and you look over to the one withholding allowance. So it's $77. 77. Now, if you are a male, please do the Social Security. Female, please do the Medicare. Go. Sure. What time? 8:05. 8:05. We got 10 min. Plenty of time. All right. Someone hit me with Social Security. Go. Yes. How about a male under 35? Ooh, I just revealed my age on YouTube. Now all my young followers are going to be like, what? Accounting man is old? All right, someone give me this number. Yeah, do this number multiplied by 0.0625. You guys are making me sad in my heart. What is it? 52.0. Thank you. And then a female that did this one. Yikes. Somebody, anybody, please. Ooh, 12. That's probably close. Well, yeah, because 1% of 8 would be 8, but it's 1.4%. 1.45 times, or 0.0145. Yeah. It ain't rocket surgery. 0.0145 times 840. Like you said, it's like 12. 1218. Man, I wish it was 1218. But don't get it because then we wouldn't be in school because it's a half day.
Wow, you'd be in school.
Oh, yeah, I'd be in school. Stupid school. All right. Next one. Christy Grimes, married, withholding 3, 1020. So look at the married chart. 1020. So she made 1020, so it's going to be this one, at least 1020. She's withholding 3. So that's going to be 31. 31. Social Security tax. If you're a senior, do Social Security tax. If you're not, or a teacher also. If you're not a senior or teacher, do the Medicare tax. Go. Got out of that one. Senior. Hit me. Senior.
632. Are there any of you other?
6324. Birthday boy. Medicare. Okay.
Got a birthday.
147 would be if you did probably 10% or like 14%. So you screwed up the percent. So it's actually 14. What is it? 1479. So birthday boy, you're a year older, but not smarter. Boom roasted. All right, last one. Sharon Key. She is single, withholding 2, making 980. $980, single 2. Single 2. $980. So looks like 79 to me. 980, withholding 2, 79. You will get this chart with your practice test. You will use this chart. You could look this chart up, but the numbers are a little bit different. They have changed this in the last 10 years. But right now, it's 79. Social Security tax. If your GPA is higher than a 3.0, do Social Security. If it's lower than a 3.0, do Medicare. What if it's negative? Is that what you said, birthday boy? All right, Social Security. Who's got it? Addison. 60.76. And someone with a bad GPA. Keegan, what'd you get for Medicare? This is why your GPA is bad. That's exactly what someone with a bad GPA would do. Someone help out Ding Dong over there. Birthday boy? 14.2?
That's all I got.
Okay. 14.2. Good. All right. So that is something that gets done every week or 2 weeks, depending on when they do payroll, because every single person in America pays these taxes unless you're paid under the table. So if you're thinking about it, which is a federal offense, that's tax evasion, don't do that. But if you can find a job where they pay under the table, you can save 6.2%, 1.45, and then this is usually about 5 to 10%, depending on withholdings, obviously. What? Well, you wouldn't be under the table forever. But if you were under the table forever, you probably wouldn't need Social Security because you're rich, unless it was like a crappy job. Yeah. Well, then that'd be like 12 to 13 normal, but that's not gonna.
That's not good at all.
All right. So that is taxes. And with that, YouTube, I'm signing off.